Hi guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today we're going to talk about how to enable voice chat in Roblox mobile. It's a step-by-step guide to follow easily, so don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Let's dive right in. So first, what you're gonna do is open your mobile Roblox app, and on the bottom right corner of the screen, you will see the circle icon with 3 dots in it. Just click on that, and you're gonna scroll down until you see settings. So click settings over here and then go to account info. Now once you're on account info, your priority is to verify your age. Once you verify your age, you will be able to use the enable voice chat feature of Roblox. So to do that, you have to be at least 13 years old. And now I'm gonna go and verify my age. Make sure your birthday is the same as your actual birthday in your ID, because you will have to present your ID to verify your age. As you can see here, for identity verification, we have to verify our age to get the most out of Roblox. The first thing we're gonna do is prepare a valid ID, which is either a driver's license, a passport, an ID card, or a resident permit. Just go ahead and start the session. Okay, so as you can see, I'm done verifying my identity and therefore my age. So the process was that you choose the ID that you will be presenting to be verified, and after that you have to take a clear photo of that ID with good lighting and making sure that the letters are readable, and after that they will process it, and once it's been successfully processed, you're gonna verify your face with a selfie. And once those are done, you will get this verification. So now let's go back to Roblox. Now I've opened Roblox. Once again, let's go to our settings, account info. Since our age has already been verified, what we're gonna do next is click on privacy. And let's scroll down. Here you can see microphone and camera input. We have now the feature to use microphone to chat with our voice. Now we're just gonna turn this on and we're gonna click on enable. And as you have seen, the feature to enable the voice chat has already been saved, and that is how to enable voice chat in Roblox mobile. Thank you so much for watching until the end. If you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel so you can tune in to the next one.